The Harsh Unilift trailer is built for versatility, designed to work seamlessly with all commercial hook loader containers under Chem standards. It supports a wide range of setups from articulating or telescopic arms to wireless remote controls, hydraulic or air brakes, and even self-steering or lifting axles. One of its greatest strengths, adaptability. It can handle multiple body types on a single chassis, switching effortlessly between grain carriers, dump bodies, timber beds, muck spreaders, water tanks, or low loaders. That means one trailer replaces several, saving time, fuel, and manpower. A real-world example comes from Greenworks, a forestry company using the Harsh ITR model with a payload capacity of 13 tons and an unladen weight of 4,900 kilograms. With this single setup, they switch between hauling logs and wood chips with ease, proving that efficiency and design can indeed work hand in hand. The Peg Frog, a clever mobile energy system that turns motion into electricity. It's mounted on a compact trailer that can be towed by a regular vehicle, allowing it to bring power anywhere it's needed. The exact inner workings remain a bit of a mystery, but it likely uses a smart mix of levers, flywheels, and generators to create clean energy. While precise figures aren't shared, it's clearly built to handle everyday needs, powering tools, lights, or small appliances. A simple control panel lets users monitor performance and adjust output with ease. Designed by German engineer Peter Gollasdorfer, the Frog was born to solve a timeless problem: how to get reliable power in places far from the grid. Whether it's an emergency site after a storm, a construction zone deep in the countryside, or a remote home in the wild, the Frog steps in where other options can't. It's perfect for outdoor events too, bringing temporary power without the noise and fumes of gas generators. What truly makes the Frog unique is its clean operation. It doesn't burn fuel. It creates energy through motion. That means no emissions, fewer maintenance headaches, and far more flexibility. Some trucks are built to work hard, others are built to turn heads. But the Scania R580, it does both, and it does it with style that feels straight out of a comic book. This red and white masterpiece, captured at a show in Ramsele, Sweden, demands attention the moment you see it. Beneath that striking exterior lies serious power and purpose. The engine delivers 580 horsepower, more than enough to conquer long hauls with confidence. Classic Scania engineering at its finest power. Precision and reliability that drivers trust on any road. But what truly sets it apart is the artistry in its customization. The standard factory finish has been reborn into a fiery spectacle, bold red paint, flames sweeping across every curve, dramatic but never overdone. When the Scania R530 rolled into Ramsele, Sweden, for the Power Truck Show, it didn't just show up, it stole the spotlight. By the end, it won second place in the wood chip truck category and third for Best Interior. Under the hood, it carries a 530 horsepower engine built for endurance and grace. Inside, it's a sanctuary: soft lighting, fine stitching, and every detail whispering of comfort and care. For its owner, it's more than a truck. It's home on the road, a symbol of pride, patience, and pure love for the journey ahead. The summer of 2024 brought devastating wildfires, especially across Germany's Brandenburg region. To fight back, rescue teams turned to a new hero, the Müller safety trailer. It carries 17,000 liters of water, powered by a 24-volt hydraulic system and an 8-ton winch. Built tough, watertight, and steady, it can hold water up to 1 meter deep, ideal for battling electric vehicle fires. This isn't just a trailer, it's a lifeline on wheels, built for moments when every second counts. In 2024, global hay production soared past 110 million tons, generating over $30 billion each year. Leading the charge in efficiency is the Stinger Stacker 8500, a true marvel of modern farming. Powered by a Detroit 13-liter diesel engine with 460 horsepower and paired with a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission, it handles heavy fields with smooth precision. It weighs about 42,500 pounds, stretches 35 feet long, stands 14 feet 4 inches tall, and measures just under 10 feet wide. It hauls up to 14 3x4 Alco bales, 12 3x3 bales, or 8 standard 4x4 bales, cutting trips and saving time. With a 120-gallon fuel tank and an air horn that announces every victory in the field. This is a machine built for long days, hard work, and total reliability. The Renault E-Tech T. More than just an electric truck, it's a quiet revolution. With a range between 400 and 600 kilometers per charge, it redefines what heavy-duty electric power can be. Inside, it's calm, clean, and beautifully quiet. No vibration, no roar, just smooth motion and focus. Every inch is built for the modern driver. Ergonomic seating, a sleek digital dashboard, and perfect climate control. The E-Tech T doesn't try to impress, it just works smarter, cleaner, and better. And that's what makes it revolutionary. There are trucks, and then there's the Thor 24. One glance, and you know this monster doesn't play by anyone's rules. With a staggering 3,974 horsepower, it storms down highways at over 200 kilometers per hour. And to stop all that fury, it doesn't just use brakes, it deploys 4 parachutes. Yes, 4. This hand-built masterpiece sold in Saudi Arabia for an astonishing $13.2 million. But once you see what it truly is, that number makes perfect sense. Beneath the aggressive body lies a rolling piece of art, a one-of-a-kind creation you can actually live in. Despite its immense size and weight, Thor 24 isn't about practicality. It's about presence power, sculpted into chrome and light. This isn't just transportation, it's performance art on wheels. When it roars past and those parachutes bloom behind it, you'll never forget the name Thor 24. Aperia Technologies, the name behind smarter tires and safer roads. Their research revealed that nearly half of all trucks run with low tire pressure. Their invention, the Halo, solves that, automatically maintaining pressure between 80 and 120 pounds per square inch. It operates from -40 to 257 degrees Fahrenheit, lasts up to 500,000 miles, and installs in 5 to 10 minutes. No wires, no batteries, just motion. Like a self-winding watch, it creates its own power. With savings of up to $1,200 per truck each year and over 716,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide reduced, the Halo isn't just innovation, it's impact. The Peterbilt Crew Cab Ultra, where power meets people. Originally built to tow a horse trailer, it evolved into a masterpiece of comfort and strength. Inside, leather seats, walnut flooring, and a 20-inch television make every journey feel like home. A digital thermostat, premium sound, and seating for 7-turn travel into shared experience. It's not just a truck that hauls, it connects. It moves hearts as much as it moves wheels. According to experts, the cotton market is projected to reach $43.961187, more than the combined gross domestic product of Andorra, Nicaragua, and North Korea. In a market with such high stakes, every detail matters. For example, transportation plays a crucial role. Cotton often travels thousands of kilometers from where it is grown, and it must be handled with great care. Right from the start of its journey, that's why engineers created vehicles like the C&M Moon Buggy Monster 2, which can carry up to 10 bales of cotton more than any other vehicle of its kind. The Moon Buggy Monster 2 is fitted with a rotating, lifting cab, giving the operator an outstanding viewing angle to move the bales quickly and safely. The next vehicle we're looking at today is a powerful tow vehicle. It's built specifically for military operations, which is why it features an armored hull and cutting-edge protection systems. It can withstand ballistic weapons fire and even keep moving after a mine detonates beneath its wheels. Even more impressive, the vehicle can shield its occupants from sniper rifle fire. And despite the danger, it never stops doing its job towing critical military equipment. To accomplish this, the vehicle is equipped with a 360-degree rotating boom with a capacity of 60,000 pounds, a heavy-duty winch, and an independent underlift, capable of handling nearly 35,000 pounds. Naturally, it offers superior off-road performance, able to traverse extreme terrain, and even very soft ground with ease. Trucks are just as exciting, and they've had their moments on the big screen too, in movies like The Ice Road. And when they're in the hands of expert tuning teams, Kenworth trucks can turn into true showpieces. Take this bright red W900 for example. It was built as a one-of-a-kind custom order by some of the best in the business, according to the description, and it honestly looks like something straight out of Pimp My Ride. The truck has a movable front bumper, and with its upgraded suspension, the ride height can be adjusted on the fly. The wheels are decked out with spiked covers, and LED lights have been added all around the edges, giving off serious holiday Coca-Cola truck vibes. Still, some folks are scratching their heads, wondering how the driver can even see the road. That oversized visor seems to block about 3/4 of the windshield. Birus MT6 300 AC. Today's trucks might not shock anyone with their size and performance, but rewind about 12 years, and you'll see dump trucks that were just as jaw-dropping. Take the MT6 300 AC from Birus, for example. Production started back in 2008, when the company was still called Terex. This monster could haul up to 363 tons, making it one of the most powerful dump trucks in the world at the time, right up there with giants from Belle AZ and Caterpillar. Its engine packs an incredible 3,750 horsepower. Without the bed raised, the truck stands nearly 8 meters tall. Its full length is around 15.6 meters, and it spans almost 10 meters wide. Logging produces long, smooth logs, which are then turned into construction materials, furniture, and many other products. But what about the tops of the trees that are cut off from those logs? The answer comes from the next machine on our list. It's a mobile unit, equipped with a powerful chipper that transforms treetops into wood chips. Its big advantage is mobility. It isn't fixed to one location, so it can process the tree right where it was cut, leaving no residue behind. The resulting chips are then used in industrial production, as well as in construction and landscaping projects. Just another challenging day for a truck driver. This time, he's hauling a cable drum through rough off-road terrain. But there's no worry, he's using a compact, yet highly advanced trailer designed specifically for transporting cable drums. Built for tough conditions, it comes with powerful clamps that can shift left and right, making loading and unloading much easier. The entire process can even be controlled remotely. Curious to learn more? Check out the manufacturer's website, STU Trailers. Yes, the same company behind the car transporter trailer we showed earlier. GNAF HD5395TS. This is the last machine we're talking about today, and it's no ordinary truck. While it starts with a standard truck base, the HD5395TS from Dutch company GNAF is a massive dump truck with 5 axles. Its body was custom built by the Polish manufacturer KH Keeper, creating a powerful hauler capable of moving loads up to 70 tons. What makes it stand out is its unique dump body design, built with a special wear-resistant steel cross-section. That means it's incredibly tough yet surprisingly lightweight, and it can unload its cargo in just 40 seconds. A truck that can be adapted for all kinds of jobs, including garbage collection. It runs on a 160 kilowatt electric motor and can travel up to 250 kilometers on a single charge. Charging takes just 1 to 2 hours. One of its biggest perks? It's whisper quiet. That means trash collection and other tasks can happen late at night or early in the morning without disturbing the neighborhood. Depending on the model, it can hit speeds of up to 93 kilometers per hour, making it suitable even for highway use. When it's time to empty the bins, the driver doesn't even need to leave the cab. A full-color display and a joystick make operating the truck smooth and easy. And from Russia comes a driverless dump truck, the KAMAZ 6559, also known as Jupiter 30. This machine stretches about 9 meters long. Lamax brings the warmth of home to the demanding world of freight transport. The company designs sleeper cabins that fit a wide range of trucks. From Renault to Evco, their sleek, aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag and lowers fuel consumption, a big win for fleet owners. Drivers love them. The cabins are not only well insulated against noise, but some models even feature a mini kitchen. That's a breakthrough innovation, and one of Lamax's strongest selling points. Certain cabins even offer space for a 200 by 70 centimeter bed. And with a built-in heater, drivers can enjoy a good night's sleep, even on the coldest nights. Plus, they come with a sunroof, a table, and even an extra bed. If you're curious, you can take a free 3D tour of the cabins right on the Lamax website and discover even more. The Optimax system is a game changer for fleets packed with 6x2 trucks. Its main concept is to make one of the axles liftable. When the wheels rise off the ground, fuel consumption can be reduced by up to 5%. And when the axle is lowered again, the truck handles rough, off-road terrain much better than a standard 6x2 setup, especially when reversing. No extra driver training is required either. The lift axle is managed by intelligent software that works completely automatically. ETF. There are some machines out there that make people feel like tiny insects, and this one has a story that's even more unusual. ETF Holding, a relatively new company based in Slovenia, decided to develop its own mining truck with a completely original design. Unlike the massive VAZ 75710, this isn't just another oversized truck with more capacity. Instead, the engineers came up with a modular concept. The number of axles can be changed, which means the truck's length and payload capacity can be adjusted based on the job. The first prototypes were unveiled in 2016 and 2017 under the name MT240. Today, the ETF lineup is known simply as the D series and includes 6 different models. Their lengths range from 12.5 to 29 meters, and they can carry between 77 and 180 tons. Thanks to the modular setup, companies can invest in a single truck that adapts to various types of projects. Plus, these trucks are more compact and narrower than traditional models, which helps boost productivity and opens up new possibilities for roadwork. The World Bank estimates that about 2 trillion tons of municipal solid waste are produced every single year. And this figure is only expected to rise By the year 2050, some regions could be generating double or even triple the current amounts of waste. To prevent being buried under mountains of garbage, engineers around the globe are developing advanced recycling technologies. One impressive example is the Lefort self-propelled system, designed to cut and crush scrap metal. Depending on the model, the press can deliver a force of up to 180 tons, while the shears can apply as much as 1,250 tons. And with radio control, operators can handle the entire process with far greater ease. Australia ranks among the top 10 countries in terms of road network size, yet only 17% of its roads are paved. This means there's a huge amount of work to be done. To avoid the hassle of importing specialized equipment, local companies develop innovative solutions using widely available vehicles. For example, the Boral F-Mass truck is based on the Iveco Stus. Once modified, it can replace a roller, a dump truck, and an asphalt paver, paving roads at speeds of up to 7 kilometers per hour, with a working width of up to 3.6 meters. Additionally, these vehicles help reduce potential risks to infrastructure, such as power lines and bridges. This jaw-dropping vehicle was custom-built for Scott Blomqvist, a driver famous for his runs in NASCAR and various dirt track races. He's not just a racer, though he knows cars inside and out, and even built the chassis himself. Naturally, he had some very specific ideas for his dream RV. The result? A custom truck and trailer combo that one publication called the most impressive they'd ever seen. The project was handled by the team at Thornkey Industries, and the final product truly turned heads. Step inside and it feels like a rock and roll palace, full sound system, built-in bar, cozy sofa, a bed, and tons of ambient lighting. On the outside, it's just as bold and stylish, you almost wouldn't be surprised to see a Batmobile hiding inside. But not everything went smoothly. The rig ended up being too heavy and didn't meet legal requirements. Some of the technical features also fell short, so Blomqvist decided to take it back to the shop and start fresh on a new creation. Railway accidents become especially dangerous when they happen inside tunnels. It's easy to imagine that solving this kind of problem requires specialized equipment not just any machine will do. On the screen, you can see a system used high in the mountains of Switzerland. This rescue train is made up of several sections, each designed for a specific task. The first section is for firefighting. The second is a fully equipped ambulance for transporting the injured, and the third is a standard evacuation car. If needed, these sections can be detached and used independently. The global logistics industry is constantly searching for new technologies to integrate. Many experts predict that this year will see a major rise in smart systems, in other words, robots lending a hand to humans. One particularly exciting project in this area is Scale, developed by top specialists from Toyota and the University of Gothenburg. The goal is to design and test new ways to automate and boost the efficiency of goods handling. To achieve this, they are using Toyota's automated forklifts inside warehouses and replacing standard trucks with electric vehicles from iRide, fully authorized to operate on United States roads. These vehicles can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Built entirely from the ground up, this truck offers plenty of customization. For starters, you can choose from different engines with power options going all the way up to 860 horsepower. There are also several interior packages to pick from. The premium trim includes upgraded insulation, special lighting to reduce eye strain, teak wood accents, and other high-end features. And to make work even easier, several smart systems are available. QuickFit lets you easily manage and integrate different equipment. Detroit Connect gives you real-time updates on the truck's condition. And Virtual Technician sends alerts if there's a problem, along with step-by-step instructions on how to fix it. German company MAN also brings something to the table. Their custom Lions model not only looks sleek, but it's also built with the driver's comfort in mind. Thank you for watching today's TechNew video. If you find these technological inventions useful, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to see more shocking content. Share your thoughts about these inventions in the comments section below. See you next time.